Hey guys, welcome to VTechAcademy.com, and here in this presentation we are going to solve few examples using basic algebraic formulae which we have derived in our earlier videos. So here we have, if a plus b is equal to 10 and ab is equal to 21, then we have to find the value of a cube plus b cube. So as we have to find the value in cube terms, so let us cube on both sides the given condition. So we get here a plus b whole cube is equal to 10 whole cube. So we have already derived the formula for a plus b whole cube, which is nothing but a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube is equal to the value of 10 cube is here 1000. So we can write this as a cube plus b cube plus, and here from the middle two terms, by taking 3ab as a common factor, we can write this as plus 3ab into a plus b is equal to 1000. And we can write this as a cube plus b cube plus 3 into the value of ab is here 21 into the value of a plus b is given as 10 is equal to 1000. And in the next step, this would come as a cube plus b cube, and the product of 3, 21 and 10 would come as 630 is equal to 1000. And now transferring 630 on the right hand side, we get this as a cube plus b cube is equal to 1000 minus 630. So we get the value of a cube plus b cube as 370. Now let us try to solve another example over here. So here we are given with a plus b plus c is equal to 6 and the value of a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 26. Then we have to find the value of ab plus bc plus ca. So as the given values are in the terms of a plus b plus c and a square plus b square plus c square, let us square the given condition a plus b plus c is equal to 6 on both sides. So on squaring, we get this as a plus b plus c whole square is equal to 6 square. So in our earlier video, we have derived the formula for a plus b plus c whole square. So this would come as a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to 36. So we can write this as a square plus b square plus c square plus, by taking here 2 as a common factor from the remaining 3 terms, we get 2 into ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 36. Now let us replace the value for a square plus b square plus c square with 26 plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 36. Now let us transfer 26 to the right hand side. We get 2 into ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 36 minus 26. So this would come as 10. Now by transferring 2 to the right hand side, we get ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 10 divided by 2. So by simplifying, we get here 2 1 time is 2 and 2 5 times is 10. And therefore we get the value of ab plus bc plus ca as 5. So this was a basic introduction on how to solve the examples using the basic algebraic formulae. Hope you liked the presentation. Refer to more videos on basic algebraic formulae on our website VTechAcademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.